Today we learn about auxiliary or helping verbs. Helping verb or auxiliary verb is a verb that is used to help another verb sound sensible and meaningful. Whenever we want the verb to sound sensible and meaningful, we use such verbs to complete the meaning of a verb. Next, auxiliary verb is used with another verb to express person, number, mood or tense. Every time an auxiliary verb is used, you always have one more verb. Keep this in mind that you always have one more word with auxiliary verbs, which acts as an action verb. That is the main verb. Okay, so one is the helping verb and another word in the sentence is the main verb. Let's see some examples related to it. Does your child enjoy watching educational films? So here the helping verb or the auxiliary verb is does and watching is the main verb, that is the action verb. Okay, next, children were playing with a ball. So here were, W-E-R-E, were is the auxiliary verb and playing is the action verb. Here we are expressing an action. Okay, here as I told you earlier, the three parts of the verb, among them that is one. In this sentence, playing is expressing an action. Playing is an action verb. Okay. Now comes the other example. Our guests have arrived. So here have is the helping verb and arrived is the action verb.